It takes a lot of people to provide care for our patients. What's neat is to see everybody come together, regardless of department, in providing that care and helping to serve our community. There are positions for every type of person and personality at Cox Health.
We have a variety of entry-level roles that we've recently created. Our clinical care assistants is kind of the first step into clinical work.
Patient safety assistants, unit assistants, and those are roles where we can train you on the job, working side by side with members of the team delivering care to patients.
Providing nutrition care to a patient is an essential building block to their recovery. Cooking food, delivering food, or even being one of our registered dietitians.
I really think environmental services is one of our core foundational departments. If we can do our function and do it really, really well, it allows our clinical people and our providers to stay more at the bedside.
We've had employees that started in food services or EVS and have gone on to becoming a nurse, going into lab, going into radiology.
If people are interested in going down a clinical pathway, for instance, we do lots of tuition reimbursement and ways that you can work during your schooling so that you can stay with Cox Health.
My journey began as an intern when I was with Cox College, and from there I began work at Cox Monett Hospital. I've functioned as a clinical dietitian and then got more on the food and nutrition services management side, and here I am today, 15 years later, as the Assistant Director of Food and Nutrition Services.
The reason I choose to work at Cox Health is because here there's a lot of teamwork. I've worked retail before and not so much, but here everybody works together, everybody pitches in. You will definitely feel appreciated.
There's a lot of joy that people have when they are in a culture that they feel safe and they feel really empowered to do their job.
I'm very proud of the fact that Cox Health has won Best Places to Work awards because our individuals feel like they're a special part of our culture. My mom worked in our food services department here. She would bring a meal and she would share a smile, and she would share a story, and she would check on those people. And it really enriched her heart. But I had a lot of people, as I grew in this organization, that would come up to me and say, "Hey, you're Max Buto, aren't you?" Say, "Yeah." "Well, you're Constance's son." And I was famous because of my relationship to my mom, who worked in our food services department, and I took a lot of pride in that.
We are a community-based hospital. We have a unique opportunity and privilege to truly serve our community in their time of need. And in not every job you get that.
We want Cox Health to be the place where exceptional people can do exceptional things. It's a place where you can live out your mission every single day and you can see the community impact and benefit. Join the mission of what we're going to do in this organization. We've got great things that we're going to do in the future.